Your list is bleeding, subscribers, open rates flatlining, engagement dropping. We're here to help my newsletter. Stat! Emergency intervention for underperforming newsletters.
Want to double your reach without writing more words? Hey, it's Jen from Help My Newsletter. Here's a question. What if I told you you could double your newsletter's reach without writing a single extra word? Not by paying for ads, not by some growth hack, just by reformatting what you're already writing so people actually read it and then putting it somewhere else where thousands more people can find it. Today, I'm showing you how to make your newsletter scannable so people click more and how to cross-post to LinkedIn so you build an audience while you sleep. Let's get into it. Here's the thing. Most people don't read newsletters word for word. They skim. If they don't find what matters in about 5 seconds, they're gone. You might have incredible insights in paragraph 7, but if your reader hits a wall of text up top, they never get there. Your beautiful analysis goes unread. And then there's the reach problem. Your newsletter lives and dies in the inbox. Once someone deletes it, it's gone. No discoverability. Meanwhile, LinkedIn is sitting right there, where your ideal readers are actively scrolling, and a single post can reach thousands of people who've never heard of you. But you're not posting because you think it means writing more content. Here's the truth. You don't need to write more. You need to format what you're already writing so it works better, and then put it on LinkedIn. People read online content in an F pattern. They scan the top, then down the left side, looking for visual hooks. Headings, bullets, bold text. If something catches their eye, they read that section. If not, they keep scrolling. Dense paragraphs are death. Even brilliant writing gets skipped if it looks like a solid block of text. But break that same content into short paragraphs with bullets and bold text. Suddenly, it looks easy to read, and people actually engage. Same content, different formatting, completely different results. 3 core principles to make your newsletter scannable. Principle 1. Add speed bumps every 80 to 120 words. Speed bumps are visual breaks, bullets, bold text, subheadings, dividers, anything that creates white space. Go through your newsletter and count words. Every 80 to 120 words, add a speed bump. Not because there's a natural break, but because the eye needs a rest. It turns a wall of text into digestible chunks. Principle 2. Keep paragraphs to 2 to 3 lines max. 2 to 3 lines on mobile, not sentences, lines. If a paragraph takes up more than 3 lines on a phone screen, break it up. 1 idea per paragraph. Be ruthless about this. Principle 3, open with a 1-screen insight. Before the details, give people 1 tight sentence that states the big idea. AI summarizers are clipping your CTAs. Here's the fix. Yahoo deliverability is down. Isolate your cohort, recover in 2 weeks. Your newsletter is already written. Post it to LinkedIn, double your reach. That 1-screen insight tells people what they'll learn and why they should care. And it makes a great subject line. Speaking of subject lines, make them curiosity-driven questions that only your body copy answers. Want to double your reach without writing more? Is Yahoo quietly clipping your reach? The question creates a gap. The reader wants the answer, so they open. Now here's where you double your reach. Take your entire newsletter and paste it into a LinkedIn post. Add a 2-3-line intro. I just published this week's newsletter on email deliverability, sharing it here for anyone who wants the full breakdown. At the bottom, add a CTA. Want this delivered first? Subscribe here. Link to your sign-up page. That's it. Same content, 2 platforms, double the reach. No extra writing. LinkedIn's algorithm loves long-form content. A 1,000-word newsletter? That's gold. They'll show it to way more people than a short update. Plus, LinkedIn has discoverability. People find your posts through hashtags, through network engagement, through suggestions. Your newsletter on LinkedIn can circulate for weeks. One B2B publisher with 40,000 subscribers started cross-posting every edition. In 6 weeks, they added 1,300 new LinkedIn followers. Many converted to newsletter subscribers from that bottom CTA. Same content, 2 platforms, double the reach. No extra writing. Within a month of implementing both strategies, here's what you should see. Your email CTR goes up 10 to 20% because people can actually find the link. It's not buried anymore. Your LinkedIn profile grows every week without hustling for connections. LinkedIn posts keep getting engagement for weeks, unlike email's 24-hour lifecycle. And you're getting new newsletter signups from LinkedIn. That B2B publisher? 19% CTR boost from scannability, 1,300 LinkedIn followers in 6 weeks, no paid promotion, no extra content, just better formatting and smarter distribution. 3 things you can do today. 1. Open your last newsletter. If any paragraph takes up more than 3 lines on mobile, break it up. 2. Add 1 speed bump every 100 words, bullet, bold sentence, or subheading. 3. Take your last newsletter, paste it into LinkedIn with a 2-line intro and subscribe CTA. Publish it right now. You're already doing the hard work of writing valuable content. Don't let it go to waste because your formatting makes it hard to read or because you're only publishing in one place. Make it scannable, post it to LinkedIn, watch what happens. Full write-up with examples at triage.helpmynewsletter.com. And if you need help restructuring your newsletter, you know where to find me. I'm Jen. See you next week.